In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best-selling interior car detailing tools on Amazon. Let's check it out. Hey there! Big thanks to all our new subscribers, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Car cleaning gun detailing interior dryer air blow. Gallon 2 peak HP, portable, wet to dry vacuum.
Messes with ease. Effortlessly clean wet or dry debris in your home, car, or workshop. With a 1.5-gallon tank and convenient accessory storage. The Armor All AA155, your versatile cleaning companion.
Soft Boars hair car, detailing brush set for washing, 3-pack.
Sometimes I get so mad there's no control in me.
26 pieces. Car detailing brush set. Windshield cleaner tool.
Perfect tool to keep your windows looking spotless. Whether washing your entire car or just clearing window streaks, this handy tool easily wipes surfaces clean. Reusable microfiber pads are included to finish the job without interruption. It's universally compatible with all vehicles, from cars, trucks, and SUVs. The telescoping pole makes it easier to reach the far edges of your windshield. Twist the handle to extend the cleaning tool. Twist again to lock into place. Its design allows full contact on both interior and exterior glass and can rotate 180 degrees to ensure every inch is covered. The convenient carry bag makes it easy to stow on the go, so you'll always have it within reach. The AstroAI car window cleaner is lightweight and compact to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
Mini pet hair remover for car detailing supplies. Car Guys, super interior cleaner. Car cleaning wipes, 90 count.
Armor All cleaning wipes are meticulously engineered for your car's special needs. Armor All cleaning wipes lift away dirt and debris, revealing your car's rich, natural beauty. These convenient, disposable cleaning wipes are great for your car's dash, vinyl, fabric, carpet, consoles, leather, and more. Keep a canister handy for those on-the-go cleanup jobs. The moisture lock lid guarantees the wipes will stay moist for at least a year after purchase. It's easy to look good with Armor All.
Electric air duster. Multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. Thank you for watching. Got a car model or content idea in mind? Let me know in the comments below, and it might be featured in my next video.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on